Hello students, in the last class we studied Asia and Africa. Today we will explore the Americas, North America and South America. North America is the third largest continent, spread over 24.7 million square kilometers. It has a population of about 600 million. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Caribbean Sea in the southeast.
Sir, may I ask, why is North America sometimes called a land of contrasts?
Good question. Because it has extreme diversity, icy Greenland in the north, tropical Caribbean in the south, fertile plains in the center, and deserts in the southwest. North America has two main mountain systems. The Rocky Mountains stretch along the west, and the Appalachians lie in the east. Between them lies the Great Plains, one of the world's most productive farming regions. The Canadian Shield in the northeast is an ancient rock plateau rich in minerals. The Mississippi, Missouri is the longest river system. Other important rivers include the St. Lawrence, Mackenzie, and Rio Grande. The continent is also famous for the Great Lakes, Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. These hold about 20% of the world's freshwater. Major gulfs include the Gulf of Mexico, the Gulf of California, and the Gulf of Alaska. Hudson Bay is another vast inland sea. The Bering Strait separates Alaska from Russia. The Florida Strait links the Atlantic with the Gulf of Mexico. The Davis Strait lies between Canada and Greenland. North America has deserts such as the Great Basin, Mojave, Sonoran, and Chihuahua.
Sir, may I ask, why is the Bering Strait important?
Because it connects Asia and North America, and scientists believe early humans migrated across it during the Ice Age. North America has Greenland, the largest island in the world, along with Caribbean islands like Cuba, Jamaica, and Hispaniola. The Aleutian Islands lie in Alaska. The continent is rich in oil, gas, coal, iron, copper, and silver. It is also called the food basket of the world because it produces vast amounts of wheat, maize, and soybeans. Ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztec flourished here. Later, European colonization shaped the culture, making English, Spanish, and French the main languages. Today, the United States and Canada are highly industrialized nations, while Mexico and the Caribbean show a mix of agriculture, industry, and tourism. Now let us turn to South America. It covers 17.8 million square kilometers and has a population of about 430 million. It is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, and the Pacific Ocean to the west. The Andes, the world's longest mountain chain, run along its western edge. Aconcagua in Argentina, at 6,960 meters, is the highest peak. Plateaus include the Brazilian highlands and Guiana highlands, both rich in minerals. The Amazon River is the largest by water volume and supports the Amazon rainforest. Other rivers are the Orinoco and Parna. Lakes include Titicaca, the world's highest navigable lake, and Maracaibo, the largest lake. South America has wide plains. Pampas in Argentina, used for cattle ranching, and llanos in Venezuela and Colombia, known for oil reserves. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest in the world. Patagonia in Argentina is another desert region. Gulfs include the Gulf of Guayaquil and the Gulf of Penas. The Strait of Magellan and Drake Passage provide sea routes between the Atlantic and Pacific at the southern tip.
Sir, may I ask, why is the Atacama Desert so dry?
It is due to the cold Humboldt Current along the coast, which prevents rainfall. South America is very resource rich. Chile is famous for copper, Brazil for iron, and Peru for silver. Venezuela and Brazil produce oil. The Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the earth. Agriculture is vital. Brazil and Colombia lead in coffee, Argentina and Brazil in beef and soybeans. Culturally, the Inca Empire was the most important ancient civilization. Today, Spanish and Portuguese dominate, with native languages like Quechua and Aymara still spoken. So students, today we explored North America and South America. North America is highly industrialized and agriculturally advanced, while South America is rich in biodiversity and cultural heritage. In the next class, we will study Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Jai Hind.